Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about AMC stock. There's a new article out by MarketWatch saying worn out investors are contributing to AMC's stock slide. StockTwits says. Do you guys think it's true? Comment below. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, add notifications, share the video with a friend. Brand new article, January 17th today, AMC Theaters. It says that shares of AMC Theaters have hit a series of record lows recently. A far cry from the days of 2021 that turned the movie theater chain into a meme stock phenomenon. So right now, AMC's down 2.3% Wednesday to extend their losing streak to 6 days in a row. It ended 2.5% down at $4.11 for a record low pre-split price of 41 cents per share. 41 cents per share. That's so disgusting. And at $4.11 right now. And that's after they stole 90% of our shares. Can you believe it, guys? For another record low, AMC shares also hit all-time intraday low of 401, almost broke into the 399 range almost. That's disgusting. So it says the stock's down more than 98% from its all-time closing high of $339.05 on June 2nd, 2021. So it was never $339 per share. I think it hit an all-time high of like $72, $73 in that range. But because of the reverse split and the ape and all that stuff they had to do, they had to figure out mathematically what was the all-time high equivalent. That's an all-time high equivalent of $339 per share. Here we are at $4 per share, right, guys? We all know, though, the real high was like $72 per share. So we're paying Adam Aron, CEO, $25 million a year to do this to the retail shareholders. Who owns the company? Well, as of right now, the retail shareholders still own the company, okay? If you can look it up yourself, they own the majority of the shares. So even though we own it, we have no power. We can't make any decisions. We can't select our own board members. We can only vote for who they put on the ballot. And those people are corrupt as well. And as you know, I tried to get on the ballot. I filled out all the paperwork. I had the nomination. I had over 1,000 signatures as well. 1,000 signatures, 1039 actually, 1,040 signatures almost to get me on the ballot, just to get me on the ballot from shareholders signing their name and giving reasons why they want me on the ballot. And guess what? The CFO of AMC said, no, we're not going to let you on the ballot. We have a bylaw that you missed when you filled out all the paperwork. There was one of the bylaws that you didn't fulfill. So, we can't let you on the ballot. Can you guys believe that? Do you know I got on the ballot to be a state senator easily? All I did was go to the appropriate building and I filled out the paperwork and I was on. So basically what they're saying is for now, the company remains focused on cutting costs and diversifying revenue streams with its AMC Stubs membership program and a Walmart exclusive at-home popcorn deal, among other things. So far, those efforts have reduced losses significantly. That's not true. But have not driven consistent profitability, even with mega hits like Barbie and Oppenheimer providing a significant tailwind this summer. Most investors are feeling worn out after many quarters of disappointment and remain concerned about future dilution. Absolutely, we do. You'll see me on Twitter X daily calling out Adam Aron about the dilution and how horrible it is. And, he actually said that dilution would cause the AMC stock to go up, and he was wrong again. He's been wrong about everything. Tell me one thing Adam Aron has been right about. Comment below. One thing. Can you come up with one thing Adam Aron has been right about? Absolutely not. We're the ones that sent the stock price higher. He's the one that pushed it down every single time. Every time we get the stock up, he pushes it back down. You know it's true. You know it's a fact. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, and notifications. Share the video with a friend. It goes on to say that, however, there is a core community of AMC investors that will likely stick with the company for life. Our platform shows low message activity and low participation, meaning it's the small group of people discussing the stock right now, he told MarketWatch via email. And even those in the community are struggling to remain confident, with our sentiment measure reading extremely bearish currently and for much of the last 6 months. I think that's true. And it's not because of anything other than Adam Aron, the CEO. We know he's a criminal. We've figured it out. We've exposed him, and he's still in place when he shouldn't be. We have criminals on the board, and he's a criminal, and we see the stock going down and down. We know he's partnered with naked short sellers, and they're working against retail. And who is there to help the retail shareholder? The SEC? Do you really think they're going to help? Because they haven't. Because people have opened complaints, including myself. I filed a complaint with the SEC over a year ago. I didn't even get a response back. Many of you have done the same, I know. So what do you guys think about it all? And then you've got Cinemark, our rival, up 1.4% Wednesday, although the stock is down 7 of the past 11 days. Webush analyst Ms. Reese said that this is not the easiest period for the movie theater industry. There is a dearth of theatrical content. Just use normal words, okay? Dearth is not a word people use in their everyday vocabulary, so don't use it. We can all use Google. We can use a thesaurus, that's a hard word, and we can come up with other words to use. Thesaurus. I can't say it, guys. It's a hard word, but we can come up with other words to use, and don't use words like dearth. It's just disgusting, in my opinion. But anyways, back to the article. It says that the strikes hurt AMC, which I don't believe they did. AMC's poorly positioned here relative to its peers given its high debt load and a significant amount of debt coming due in 2026. So we have this high debt load, still close to $5 billion. And Adam Aron said, well, we have to do this dilution to pay off debt. We have to take 90% of your shares to pay off debt. And how much has he paid off? Like hardly nothing, like a couple $100 million out of $5 billion. It's just not enough. And as I can show you from the Q3 earnings report, we're paying 278% higher rent for AMC locations than our competitor Cinemark. And I said, is AMC laundering money? Because if you look at the balance sheet, everything looks awful. And they do not want to get rid of their accounting firm. They will do anything to keep that accounting firm because I believe they've cooked the books, okay? It is all my opinion. Nothing is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. That's the disclaimer. There it is, okay? I've said it. So what do you guys think? They said, we think the theater environment should improve beginning in the fourth quarter. 2025 should be another strong year then. Wow. I don't know what you guys think about this article. I'm not crazy about it. I just wanted to share it with you so you know what they're thinking out there. Right, guys? Talk to you soon. Have a great day.